The washer's actually touching the tube and it might be interfering.
Yep. Shit. Too fast. Hot. Alright guys, we're back on the MR50. I believe it's a 74. And last time we had some problems with the forks. We did get a new set of forks. Those are the tubes for them. For some reason, one of the bikes that we parted out to make parts for this bike had a different set of forks on them. It had 27 millimeter forks. They're over here. 27 millimeter forks instead of 25 millimeter forks, and we didn't even notice. But when we went to put it back together with the correct triple tree, you know, you can't put a 27 millimeter fork into a 25 millimeter triple tree. That ain't gonna work. So just saw we took the new forks apart, and they'll get cleaned up, and the lowers will get painted. I think we're gonna work on put the new tube in a tire and whatever else we come across. So stick around, stay with us.
Here.
Probably too much. It's perfect. It's absolutely perfect.
Put it on the floor.
So we found the right tool for the job. The right size piece of pipe. Clips on. Rubber booty. I'm gonna put a little oil in this time. Rubber booty. Booty free. Big. Where is it? Ready? Yeah.
there's two of them.
There we go.
The washer would go under the,
There needs to be a washer over here.
you know,
Pretty sure. What? Do I know what?
we might not have the right axle. This axle was different there.
Is it really loose?
No, it might be a different width.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Remember that
Yeah,
other-
that's right, yeah.
If it went with
Here,
the
let me
forks.
put this washer in. There's a big gap right here. Pull it back a little bit.
Well, maybe there's supposed to be a big gap there.
Well, the washer was on there, so it's got to go somewhere in there.
Wouldn't it go under the nut?
Yeah. Well, there is a washer on the outside though. You painted on.
That's right.
You painted those washers on. This. It's a damn near perfect width. I mean, it's. You can't. You're actually bending the forks to squeeze them together.
Okay, if you could.
Here, just back it up a little. Looks right to me.
You done?
It's barely touchable on the outside.
Okay, let me go that way.
Alright.
And it won't take us long.
Alright, left hand drill. Basically the center. Come on.
Drill off, right?
Not quite. Going in the right direction, yeah.
Some more heat.
Yeah, let's heat it up some more.
Ready?
Ready. Come on. Ha ha ha! Left hand drill bit.
Cool.
Just had to get right down to the shoulder of it.
That's
Again.
what it does. It must take the.
Yeah, I can see it's all galled right here where it's been.
Yeah.
See I've said this before about countersink screws and these things. They get galled up right here when they go in, and then they corrode and they don't want to come out. And I showed that on the Trident videos. And there's another example of it. I hate countersink screws.
You can do this. On the side of it. I thought it was wrong for it, so you can get it anyway. Yeah, that's what I was doing. This. Twist, twist, no twist, no twist. You can see that side. That's good. Leave it up. Should be clean. Let's go.
Ready?
Yep.
Groove. Yep. Got your adjuster?
Yeah.
Starting to look like a motorcycle. Impromptu session was the most productive one we've had so far. Alright guys, I think that's going to end it for part 3 right now. Because this thing's coming together slowly, so thanks for watching.